Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Enhanced evening prom dresses. Step into the spotlight with this enhancing prom dresses designed to make every moment unforgettable. Crafted from luxurious flowing fabric, this gown drapes beautifully over the body, creating a graceful and flattering silhouette. The fitted bodies highlight the waist, while the soft sweeping skirts moves effortlessly with every step. Delicate detailing and refined finishing add a touch of glamour, making it perfect for prom nights, formal parties, and special celebrations. This dress blends timeless elegance with modern charm, ensuring you feel confident, radiant, and truly special all evening long. Midnight Elegance Prom Dresses Gown. This midnight elegance prom gown is the perfect choice for a sophisticated and dramatic look. Designed with a structured bodies and a flatter full-length skirt, it offers both comfort and style. The smooth fabric catches the light beautifully, enhancing its rich, luxurious appeal. Subtle design essence elevate the gown without overpowering its classic charm, ideal for prom nights, evening galas, and formal events. This dress allows you to express your individuality while maintaining a polished and refined appearance. Fairy tale dream prom dresses. Turn your prom night into a fairy tale with these dreamy and elegant prom dresses featuring a beautifully tailored body and an airy flowing skirt. This gown creates a soft and graceful look, making you feel light and confident throughout the evening, and through full craftsmanship and delicate details, giving the dress and magical finish, perfect for creating unforgettable memories. A stunning choice for those who want elegance with a touch of honesty. Timeless glamour prom dresses designed for those who love classic beauty. These timeless glamour prom dresses offer a refined and luxurious feel. The sleek body is paired effortlessly with a flowing skirt, creating a balanced and elegant silhouette. High quality fabric ensures a comfortable fit while maintaining a polished appearance all night long. These gowns are perfect for formal dinners and evening celebration. Delivers graceful look that never goes out of style. Straight night statement prom dresses make a bold yet elegant statement with this stunning prom dress inspired by stray and night. This graceful cut and flowing design enhance your natural shape, while the rich textures add depth and sophistication designed to move beautifully. These gowns offer both comfort and confidence for long evening of celebrations. Whether for prom or a grand formal event, this dress ensure you shine with effortless elegance. Royal Enhancer prom dresses designed to capture attention from the very first. Well, the Royal Enhancement prom dress is a masterpiece of elegance and sophistication. The spurtly tailored bodies create a beautifully refined shape, offering both sport and comfort while enhancing the natural waistline. Flowing seamlessly into a full-length skirt, the gown moves with a soft, graceful rhythm, creating a dramatic yet refined presence with every step. The luxurious fabric draped effortlessly, giving the dress a rich and polished finish that plays and execute at its look, perfect for prom nights, formal galas, and grand celebration. This dress is made for those who desire a regular appearance and fashionable style. Glacial midnight prom gowns. These glacial midnight prom gowns blends modern glamour with timeless beauty, making it an ideal choice for a magical evening crafted with premium quality fabric. This gown features structured bodies that enhances posture and confidence while offering a smooth, flattering fit. The long flowing skirt cascades elegantly at the floor, creating a stunning silhouette that flatters every moment. Subtle design, essence, and depth and charm without overwhelming the gown. Classic appeal, whether under top lights and sparkling dance floor. These rare radiator showcase make it perfect for prom, evening receptions, and formal events. Whispering Dreams prom dress is soft and effortlessly graceful, and Whispering Dreams prom dress is designed for those who love delicate elegance, and beautifully shaped bodies complement the flowing skirt, creating a harmonious balance between structure and fluidity. The lightweight fabric allows for ease of movement, ensuring comfort throughout the night, and while maintaining a luxurious appearance. The long silhouette enhances height and grace, making this gown ideal for capturing stunning photographs and lasting memories. A perfect choice for prom nights and formal occasions where timeless beauty is key. Classic appearance prom dresses elevate your formal look. With the classic appearance prom dress is a gown that embodies refined luxury and confidence. The expertly crafted bodies highlight the upper figure, while the floor-length skirts add a dramatic elegance design with attention to detail. This gown features smooth seams, flawless finishing, and a reach of fabric texture that enhances its premium feel. The flowing design ensures a graceful and enhanced and the design ensure a graceful entrance and a comfortable fit from the first dance to the final wear. Ideal for prom, black tie events, and evening celebration, this dress delivers a powerful yet elegant statement. Straight light majestic prom dress is the straight light majestic prom dress is created to shine in every setting with its elegant silhouette and flowing floor and desire. This gown offers a striking balance of glam and sophisticated. The fitted bodies provide structure while the extended skirt creates a dramatic sweeping effect and the enhancing movement and presence. High quality fabric ensure long lasting comfort and a polished finish, making it suitable for long evening of celebration, perfect for prom nights, grand parties, and formal occasion. This dress ensure you leave a lasting impression where you go. Royal enhancement prom dresses step into a world of timeless beauty and graceful sophistication with the royal enhancement prom dress is a gown designed to make a lasting impression from the moment you walk into the expertly tailored bodies contours to the natural curves of your bodies, creating an elegant and flirting silhouette that enhances your confidence and poise. Intricate detailing along the neckline, whether subtle beadwork or delicate lace, applique a luxurious touch without our feeling overwhelming. This skirt crafted from layers from premium satin or chiffon flows effortlessly to floor, creating a mesmerizing movement as you glide across the dance floor. Each fold and drape is carefully designed to catch the light, producing a soft shimmer that accumulates every step. The gown fit and perfect for combining both comfort and elegance, ensuring you feel spotted, poised, and radiant throughout the night. Ideal for proms, formal galas, evening balls, and any special occasion celebration where the glamour is key. This dress allows you to embodiment and elegance of royalty while maintaining a contemporary fashion forward look. Whether you choose soft pastels, bold jewel tones, and classic black, the royal enhancement from dresses promises to turn heads, creating a lasting memories and make you feel like the stars evening. Glacial midnight prom gowns transform your prom night into a glacial affair with the glacial midnight prom gowns, a dress inspired by a beauty of straight skies and elegant sophistication. Its structured bodies hugs the torso in all right places, creating a slim, flattering silhouette while the flowing skirt cascades gracefully to the floor, giving a sense of effortless movement luxury. This gown is fabric is carefully selected to have subtle sheen that misses the twinkle of stars under evening lights. Every detail from delicate seams lines to understand embellishment meticulously designed to enhance the gown in elegance without overwhelming the simplicity that give you timeless charm. The soft layers of chiffon and satin allow you to skirt float with every step, creating a dreamlike effect reminiscent of a straight dance, perfect for prom, formal dinners, or gala event. This crucial the versatile design accommodate a variety of personal styles, from those who prefer classic understated beauty of those who desire a touch of modern flair. And with this gown, every moment will pose becomes a statement of elegance and grace, making your evening unforgettable from start to finish. Whispering dreams from dresses enter. Whispering dreams from dresses enter a realm of soft elegance. With this whispering dreamed prom dress is a gown that brings a delicate, almost ethereal presence to any formal occasion that fitted the body is so fully constructed to accumulate the waist while providing a structure yet comfortable fit flowing from the waist. The layered skirt drapes effortlessly creating a gentle cascade of fabric that mirrors the soft whisper of spring breeze. Each aspect of this gown speaks the tension and craftsmanship from delicate lace accents adorning the neckline to the subtle stitching and that ensure the skirt falls perfectly creating natural movement with every step lightweight yet luxurious fabric feels soft against the skin allowing you to dance twirl and move with ease all night long. The Whispering Dreams prom dress is ideal for prom, formal evening events, and evening elegant photo shoots. Its charm and timeless appeal make it a perfect for those who seek a dreamy, almost fairy tale like look. While the versatile design ensures it flatters every body type, choose this gown for a night filled with the grace, poise, and soft effort and fashionable magic of the perfect evening. Classic opulence prom dresses make a statement of that is equal part elegance and refinement and prom glamour. With the classic opulence prom dresses, this floor-length gown is meticulously designed to offer a combination of luxury, comfort, flattering fit, and eye-catching sophistication. The body is structured to create a beautiful silhouette with attention to detail in the seams, lines, darts to optional embellishment that highlight the natural curves of the body. The skirt flows seamlessly to the floor, its cascade of soft, rich fabric perfect for formal prom nights, back tie events, and formal celebration. The classic opulence prom dress is designed for those who desire a timeless and fashionable look. Its versatility allows the personalization with accessories, hairstyles, or outer layers, making it ideal for fashion conscious individuals who value elegance, luxury, and confidence. Starlight Majesty prom dresses command attention and execute sophistication with the straight light majesty prom dress is a gown designed for who wish to shine in every settings. The bodies offer structured elegance, perfectly fitted to enhance posture and define the waistline, while the floor length skirt flows with a dramatic regular frame. Every detail from subtle embellishment to precise same lines ensure that the glow gown is both breathtaking, beautiful, and impeccably crafted. Soft layers and premium fabric creating a dynamic visual effect. Catching the light movement with the natural grace, the gown versatility allow you to flatter a wide range of body types, making it ideal for choice. From nights, formal galas, or evening celebration, each element from the cut of the fabric choice is designed to combine luxury comfort and timeless beauty, ensuring that you feel poised, radiant, and effortlessly elegant throughout the evening. With this straight line majesty, prom dresses every step turn a pose, become a statement and delicate range of style, confidence, and fashionable presence. It is more than a gown, it is an experience, a memory, a promise of beauty that lasts after long and night ends. Royal Enhancement Prom Dresses step into the spotlight with the Royal Enhancement Prom Dresses, a gown that transforms any prom night into a storybook evening from the very first glance. This dress captures attention with this elegance, silhouette meticulously crafted bodies, and sweeping floor length that flows like liquid silk with every step. The design hugs the natural curve while offering comfort, ensuring you to move gracefully, whether walking to the room, reading on the dance floor, or posing and unfortunable photographs crafted from a combination of soft satin, layered chiffon, the royal enhancement prom dress boasts a texture and glimmer subtly under the light, reflecting sophistication, defined taste. Its structured body is adorned with delicate lace appliques, hand twins, beads, or subtle sequins that catch the light in most flattering way. The waistline is perfectly defined, allowing the skirt cascade naturally, creating a visual flow that enhances the height, grace, and presence by various technical craftsmanship. The dress tells a story of confidence and elegance. Imagine walking to your prom venue, every eye drawn the soft shimmer of the gown, the way the skirt moved like a wave of luxury and feeling of empowering that comes for wearing a piece of design to complement your natural beauty, whether paired with the subtle jewelry for understated elegance or bold accessories for modern statement. This dress accommodates a range of personal style while maintaining a timeless sophistication ideal not only for prom but also galas, formal celebrations, and milestones events. The royal enhancement prom dress is a testament of luxurious design, meticulous attention to detail, and I promise. By its technical craftsmanship, the dress tells a story of confidence and elegance. Imagine walking into your prom venue, every eye on the soft shimmer of the gown that way. The skirt moves like a wave of luxury and the feeling of empowerment that comes from wearing and piece designed to complement your natural beauty, whether paired with subtle jewelry for ethnic setting, at least for bold accessory for modern statement. This dress accommodates the range of personal style while maintaining timeless sophistication. Ideal not only for prom but also for galas, formal celebration, and milestone events, the Royal Enhancement Prom Dress is a testament to luxurious design, meticulous attention to detail, and a promise to unforgettable memories. From the first night's entrance to the final dance, this gown ensures that you are at the center of attention, radiating pose charm and undeniable beauty. Galician Midnight Prom Gowns. The Galician Midnight Prom Gowns capture the magic of the straight light sky, translating into the flowing ethereal evening gown designed for moments that deserve to be remembered forever. From the structured sculpted bodies to the cascading layers of skin and chiffon that create the skirt, this gown is designed with precision, elegance, comfort in mind. Every element of the glacial midnight gown Is through full desire considered the subtle shimmer of the fabric evokes a nightfall, the stars, the smooth polished seams ensure a flawless fit, while the gentle drape of the skirt enhances movement, creating a mesmerizing effect when you trail or walk less beadwork or delicate embroidery along the neckline. Shoulders add intricate detailing and balancing luxury and sophistication with effortless style. This gown is more than a dress, it is a statement of story, a memory in motion picture walking to your prom hall at soft lightning glance of the layer of the gown reflecting your confident voice and style. It is designed for maximum impact, whether for photography, first impression, or simply enjoying or evening or dancing, laughing and celebration. Perfect for prom, black tie galas, or formal evening events. The glacial midnight prom gown is designed for individuals who value timeless elegance or combined with the contemporary flair, it complements a variety of accessories and hairstyle, allowing personalization that reflect your unique personality while ensuring that your look remain unforgettable from interest to exit. Whispering dreams from dresses, soft and utilitarian, hinting the whisper dream from dress evokes a sense of fairy tales. Mountain and elegance, the body is carefully tailored to fit perfectly gentle, highlight the natural curves of the upper body while remaining comfortable for all night wear. A floor-length skirt from the waist and gentle layers is chiffon, creating a movement that is graceful and as close as a spring breeze. The mesmerizing dress prom dress is designed for more than just appearances. It is crafted to inspire confidence, comfort, and a sense of magic. Each detail, from delicate lace trims or subtle accents, add depth and dimension, ensuring that the dress is visually captivating from every angle. The lightweight, luxurious fabric feels soft against the skin, allowing ease of movement for dancing, posing, and twirling, making every motion a statement of elegance. By one technical design, this gown is a celebration of narrative. Imagine stepping into the prom hall, light reflecting on soft layers and chiffon, and every eye turning as the skirt sweeps graceful behind you. With Whispering Dreams, your look can range from classic and understated to bold and modern depending on style, accessories, and personal flair. Perfect for prom, formal dinners, or special occasion. This dress transforms every moment into a memory of grace, beauty, and soft enhancing beauty. Classic opulence prom dresses. This classic opulence prom dresses combines refined and sophistication with modern luxury, offering a statement gown that is both timeless and a fashion forward. Its structure bodies and tailored to perfection, articulating the waist and handling the posture while providing a secure, comfortable fit. This skirt extending floor cascade smooth satin and flowing chiffon, allowing for effortless movement, dramatic twirls, and graceful entrance. Every element of this gown is so fully curated. The quality of the fabric ensures elegance and durability. The stitching, seams, and finish reflect superior craftsmanship, and optional accents like subtle beadwork and embroidery enhance the visual appeal without overwhelming the gown. Clean, sophisticated lines. The classic appearance prom dress is a versatile, suitable for a wide range formal occasion, from prom to galas, event, wedding, or milestone celebration. This dress is designed for individuals who seek both confidence and elegance. It allows freedom of movement, pair beautifully with a variety of accessories, create an lasting impression in photography, social media posts, and real life interactions alike. From first entrance to final dance, the classic options from dresses ensure your look is a polished, elegant, and unforgettable, making every moment a celebration of style, grace, and personal expression. Straight line majestic prom dresses execute confident glamour and elegance with the straight line majestic prom dresses, a gown designed to capture attention to radiate beauty and inspire unforgettable memories. The fitted body defines your shape perfectly while flowing floor length skirts extended in elegant layers, creating movement that is both dramatic and graceful. Crafted from luxurious fabric without subtle shimmer, and the light majestic prom dresses glows under evening light, capturing reflection, enhancing presence and commanding admiration and detail. As intricate embroidery detailed as accents or beadwork on the neckline adds a subtle glamour while maintaining a sophisticated timeless design. Ideal for prom, formal events, or galas, even this dress is more than just clothing. It is a narrative of elegance and confidence. It is sportive and a wide range of personal styles from modern minimalistic, dramatic statement fashion or complements hairstyle, shoes, and accessories for complete polished look with a straight light majestic prom dresses. Every moment is elevated from your entrance, the first impression to dancing and photographs. It ensures that your prom night is an unforgettable experience filled with grace, beauty, and style. Ultimate Royal Enhancement Prom Dress is the Ultimate Royal Enhancement Prom Dress is not just a gown, it is an experience, a journey to elegance, sophistication, and timeless beauty. From the very first moment you put it on, you feel as though you step into a world where every detail has been carefully crafted to celebrate your presence. The body is tailored with precision, hugs your natural curve while providing subtle support, creating a silhouette that is both flattering and empowering. Hands in detailing along the neckline, whether delicate in the wrist, intricate embroidery, or tiny shimmering beads, add a touch of bespoke artistry that catches the eye in the most enchanted way, ensuring that every elegance you are always met with admiration. This skirt is ultimate royal enhancement. Prom dress is a masterpiece of movement and grace here of luxurious satin, flowing chiffon combined to form cascade of fabric that dances with every step you take, whether you are glide across the room, trail or dance floor or pose to photos. This skirt responds with effortless elegance, reflecting a design philosophy that values both beauty and functionality. The hemline cut to perfection brushes the floor without while maintaining a regular elongated look. Subtle pleating and paneling ensure that the skirt sways gracefully, catching the ambient light and creating visual depth that draws the eye and enhances your presence. By one technical craftsmanship, the dress tells a story. Imagine walking to your prom venue, the light, denim, the music swells, and every eye turns to you as the gown catches the gown shimmer and shadow friends whisper admiration. The camera flashes highlight the glint of tiny beads, and you feel a surge of confidence that comes from wearing something designed and comes from wearing feel extraordinary. The gown is versatile enough to complement your choice and accessories, delicate silver jewelry, understanding elegance, bold statement pieces for modern flair, or a sparkling clutch to carry an essential. Color plays a critical role in ultimate royal enhancement. Prom dresses, deep jewel tones convey richness and integrity. Pastels evoke softness and classic black, navy blue execute timeless sophistication. Enhanced shade is chosen to complement these skin tones, enhance the dress hue and simplify the gown. Luxurious presence under variety, lightning condition, warm golden castrine to cool glittering disco light. The ultimate royal enhancement prom dress is more than a garment, it is an encompassing experience. It captures the essence of youthful elegance and individuals' unforgettable memories and thrills of a night. Designed to celebrate achievement, friendship, and self-expression from the first glance and entrance to the last dance, candid photographs to stage portraits, and the gown ensure that every moment is elevated, every moment accurate, and every memory unforgettable. It embodies confidence, grace, and style while seamlessly blending traditional sophistication with modern fashion sensibilities. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.